Have you ever wondered what this little lever is on the side of your clippers? Do you know what it's supposed to be used for? When I first learned how to cut hair, I didn't, and it made for some interesting haircuts. But don't worry, in this video, I will tell you what it is, what it does, and why you should be using it. These are my Wahl Senior clippers. Please ignore how dirty they are. They had just completed a haircut when I decided to film this. This is a taper lever. You use it to make blending during a haircut easier and more precise. The taper lever moves a blade on the clipper up and down. There are two blades on a clipper, the cutting blade and the guide blade. The taper lever moves the guide blade. When the lever is at the back of the clipper, the guide blade is up. When the lever is at the front of the clipper, the guide blade is down. When the guide blade is down, you will be cutting the length of the guard on the clipper. When the blade is up, you will be cutting less hair off. When using clipper guards, the number on the clipper guard is not the amount that you will be cutting off, but the amount that will be left. So if you are using a 1-inch clipper guard with the blade down, the hair will be cut down to 1 inch. If you are using the 1-inch clipper guard with the blade up, the hair will be cut down to 1 1/16 inch. In other words, you will be adding 1/16 of an inch. That is the length the taper lever adds when the guide blade is up. Let's see it in action. If you have two guidelines on your haircut, a number 3 close to the crown of the head and a number 2 around the neckline, going back to the number 2 guard and having the taper lever toward the back of the clipper with the guide blade up will add length to the number 2 guard, making it easier to blend between the number 3 and number 2 guard lengths. If this was confusing for you, that's okay. I had a hard time wrapping my head around the taper lever and blending with the right guards when I first started too. It just takes a bit of practice. If you found this video helpful, then this next video might be helpful too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.